Studies show that over 50% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So today we're going to be talking about the zero-based budgeting system where every dollar you earn is accounted for down to the very last penny. It's not about spending all that you earn, more so just making sure that every dollar has a purpose, whether it's for groceries, gas, investments, or savings. Let's talk about how the system works. So first, you want a clear picture of all your income streams. So jot down your total monthly income. Remember to factor in any side hustles or any extra income streams that you have. Next, you want to list every expense that you have. So you want to start all the way from your rent or mortgage down to the midweek coffee that you get sometimes on Wednesday. Every dollar needs to be assigned or accounted for. So when this list is ready, you can allocate every dollar to an expense or savings category. Normally with a zero-based budgeting system, you want to budget everything down to the last penny. I'm personally a fan of leaving a little wiggle room. If that money's not spent, you can use it to boost your savings and investment accounts. Life can throw curveballs all the time, and when it does, you gotta be ready to tweak your budget and be flexible. Now, we all know no system's perfect, so let's weigh out the pros and cons when it comes to the zero-based budgeting system. The first thing to consider is that you're in the driver's seat. You control where every single dollar goes. It naturally pushes you to save more, and any additional spare change you have can go directly into boosting your savings and investment accounts. And you'll have a clear snapshot of your spending habits. Honestly, it's pretty eye-opening, if you ask me. So let's talk about some of the negatives with this plan. It can definitely be time-consuming. You have to commit your time, especially in the beginning when you're listing all of your expenses and listing all of your monthly income. Now, if you like the traditional pen and paper, be my guest, but there are tools like Every Dollar and YNAB that can make things a little easier for you. For some people, this plan can feel a little too restrictive, so make sure you set aside some fun money so you can make some guilt-free purchases from time to time. When selecting any budget, you just want to make sure that it's a good fit for you. So just remember, stay positive, keep grinding. You got this. If you found this information useful, feel free to like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Until next time.